Dash cam has become one of the most important part for the car safety. As you all know, there are a number of beautiful, best quality brands of dash cam available with us also in the aftermarket also. But today I am coming up with one of the most insane product in dash cam for your complete driving safety. So today we are coming up with Thinkware Dash Cam, who holds almost 60% of the official market share worldwide. This is one of the most favorite products by most of the premium cars like BMWs, Mercedes, like the Audis, like the Kia, and many such vehicles, many such brands get this product as their OEM product. It's a 100% 4K resolution model with a Sony Starvis lens, that is a version 2, comes with the premium radar feature that will give you all sort of alerts on your driving for your comfort. It gives you a premium ADAS feature as well. And there are so many safety features coming in this setup. It's an amazing product. Yes friends, the ticket size of this product is way too high, starting from 29,999 to 72,999, depends upon the car. It specially comes with a OBD access for all the premium cars where you don't need to trim any of your existing wiring. You just have to go and plug in your OBD port and the system starts getting operated. Today we have installed this one in a very premium Avantgarde series of Mercedes. You can watch out this video for the complete solution. It's in amazing refreshing stuff. So guys who have got a premium car and want to have something very good for your vehicle, this is the product you shouldn't miss one for your stuff. Today we have got a lot of products ready with us like the Q200. It's again a fantastic product coming with a hardware kit and many access to your car, a complete solution for your car safety.